Hi, welcome back again in my channel. Last video I was show you how to install noise suppression for in Debian. Okay, you see we have already this, and let's come jump into once this is my let me remove this one and add another clip which I built last video. This one I'm going to, you can see. Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Noise. Today in this video I will show you to listen, right, how to install the noise separate. I'm going to noise from this video. First pull this into this section, okay, and then go to the effects and double click on this. Sorry, I have taken 2 times. Just remove this one. You can see the noise rate. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video very less noise, right? You can see in this video the noise is stay. And let's show you how to install this so noise in Kdenlive noise by default. Thank you for watching this video. Support noise suppression. I will so thanks for watching this video. I will try to make more video like this. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Thank you. Bye bye.